औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम टाटियो बच्चों आज पढ़ो इस ई थर्ड 7th EVS chapter number 3rd seeds and seeds. Gulmam was waiting for his Mamu's family to visit. Mamu's family to visit them. दबा गुलमा उस इंतजार करा कि सह गस माम सुंद family सत अकिस विजिटस माम सिंस family सत गस विजिटस they will be coming the next day for their holidays. तमन च बेक दो पे स्टार्ट बेक next day बेक दो पे स्टार्ट तेज holiday. He was thinking सोचान about all the funs and notes food कि अस क्या निमो सत गजा क्या गस आसन that he would have been with his cousins युस तमिस पन्न cousins सत गजा आश. Just then his mother called out. Amson मज आय अंदर नेबर नीरित. Gulma before you sleep यल से शुंगत remember to soak 2 small bowls. यम लक्च bowls ची अमन कुन थजे ध्यान वुझे कटोरी ऑफ चाइना ग्राम्स अमन मज छी त्रावन चन ग्रामन मज. She was going to Baya's Pufi's house. So गई Pufi सुन घर and would return only in the morning. See सुबह वापस. As he was soaking the chana, कर चन त्रैन अथमज गई अरेल. Gulma thought was how did 2 small bowls of this be enough for 8 persons. कित कनन छो यम लक्च 2 बाउल 8 नफरन खतर 8 नफर मन एक्सकर्शन गसन विजिट्स गसन छो. So he soaked another 2 bowls of chana and tried bees chana bowls. When his mother returned yeltimson mujai the next morning big the subui she saw that the chana was overflowing and muchum chan amus overflow gumut amus pathar pyamut for the vessels in bowlimas. How much did you soak? Chikata kare adir chikata isi tremenda katorimas asked his mother Majunas. How did that happen? At kya go wondered Gulma sawan say huran. You soak too much she varia tremit atmas varia gumit other. Anyway it is a good you should take. Now I will cook half of the bakar adiranak and leave them to another to support the bakin ymun kuli khidmit thao kaitan ya I can send them to your auntie Basoze Chai Pichum, the doctor who has told her to eat spiders. Temis doctor advice kurmutimis ki such a kamzor chepas de khin. Mother said she tried to half of socket emtul emumas adi chana in wet clothes pat benin egis adres palwas mas and hewed them into the separate pat tulit niyek emis. Az bu baki ve selam.